Two opposition activists aligned with Aruganoso Nchamisa were attacked by state security agents in Bulawayo on Saturday. Achipere Moshe pana pabuda kuchinzi Aruganoso Nchamisa is on the run after being attacked by state security agents over 31 March protest. Achipere Moshe tinokuti ayo ma-agents nema-allies awa Aruganoso Nchamisa voatakiwa nevakomana vachisuspect wanzi aiwa vanga vane chekuita nemaprotest akaplaniwa so 31 March. Sana kuna mashuka bila nyoro panapa ulikuwa subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tima zimba yuda nyora chiti. The activists Arnold Batirai Dube and Takunda Madzana are now on the run as they are being persuaded. They are being pursued by state security agents in connection with the March 31 protest. Both veteran Blessed Kesa had previously announced that protests against President Masum Nangagwa's third term agent would take place at the end of the month. In an interview with the CIO on Monday, Batirai Dube shared his experience. In quotes, "We are currently on the run. On Saturday, 8 state security agents assaulted me, punching and slapping me while demanding to know the whereabouts of Gift Ostallos Siziba. I told them I had no knowledge of his location." He continued, "They grabbed my phone and searched it, also punching me in the ribs. I somehow managed to escape. I am afraid to go home because I know they are looking for me." Madzana also expressed his fear, saying, "I am terrified for my life because government agents are searching for me. They are accusing me of organizing the 31 March protest." Domashkwana mudanyoro apanapa. Atirikuona kuti aiwa batsirai panguva ino aiwa ari kuplida ari kuchema achiti aiwa he was being accused kuti ari kukonzeresa and ari kuleader ma-31st March protest pamwe chete nekutsvaka ma-whereabouts kwavari kuita Ostallos Siziba. Vatudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi chitsiko chavhundutsa vari kuti ndozviri kuitika behind the scenes. Pina comment section medu, tudze mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.